YouTube, welcome back. We're going to do Love Grows, Where Rosemary Goes by the Edison Lighthouse. And I'm going to try to put together an easy open position arrangement of this. So if you're interested in a simplified version, look out for that video in the future. There's some controversy about what chords are in this song. I went through it, I wrote down the chords, I made some notes. I got the lyrics pulled up here on my computer next to me. So let's see if we can figure this out. The song starts with a riff in A. So it starts out with the open A string. One and two and three, four, and so it's each riff is one measure, and it starts on the open A and it goes up to the A one octave higher. So it's just a climb up using the major pentatonic, and it slides. So we pluck the open string, kind of like a galloping rhythm. So that's one and two. You're gonna play the fourth fret on the A string, and then you're gonna slide that up to the seventh fret. Repeats 6 times. Then it goes into the first verse. And the first verse is, let me look at the lyrics here. Yeah, she starts on the A with the shuffle. She ain't got no money. Then it goes again, second measure for the A. Her clothes are kind of funny. Then it goes to the D in the shuffle. Then it goes into a chord progression that I'm going to show you. So I play it with the A5, love, C sharp minor, rose, F sharp minor, Rosemary goes to the A. Nobody knows, that's D, and then it concludes with the E, but me. Then it goes back to the A, and it repeats. Love grows where Rosemary goes, and nobody knows. That's all the same. But there's a variation on the second time around. It goes B minor, but me. And this time it goes to the B minor A and resolves on the A, because we're going to go right into the bridge and chorus. And I don't think all the musicians are playing the same, they're not all synced up. It might be the first time they played it through. So we go through that second verse section. Now we're into the chorus, and it goes like this: D, E, A. So it's like something about the clothes that she wears, and then it stays on that A for a second measure. Then it goes to B minor. Something, something, clothes in her hair. Goes to A, goes E, then into the A, and then the A7. Hey, A. So let me play that through. Remember, you got to hang on the A, D, E, A. You got to hang on the A for 2 measures. minor, E, A. You can go into the A7 if you want. Then it repeats. Goes to the B minor, right into the E. Now, some people say you can put it instead of the B minor, you can go B minor, B7. So that would be D, E, A, B minor, B7, E. So that's a variation. I didn't hear that, but it does sound good when you play it that way. Then we go into another verse section, but this time to kind of jazz things up, they changed the key 1/2 step higher. So instead of playing D, A, now you're playing E flat and B flat. Because love, D minor, G minor, Rosemary, B flat. Then we have nowhere to go on the E flat, so we have to go up to the 6th fret. And then we bring it up to F to really, make it punchy. And then we go back to the B flat and start another verse. I think there's a dispute about what chords are being played, because sometimes I think the bass is slightly off. They're playing, a different maybe root note from what the guitar is playing, and it makes it ambiguous. But I think what I've showed you is pretty accurate. But as long as you're using these chords that I've showed you, they're all in the same harmonic scale. So what the singer is singing is going to sound good, even if you do a slight change. You don't have to do everything exactly as I showed you. You don't have to bump it up a half tone for the final chorus if you don't want to. I don't think an audience would notice. So I would say just have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and enjoy playing this song. Bye.